Hi, everybody. Welcome back. I hope you had a very nice holiday. I hope you had a good Easter, and I hope you ate a lot of chocolate and relaxed. Okay, so we are going to continue with Unit 5. Before we begin, let's see what you remember. Okay, here, oh, I hope you can see, yeah? We have some capital cities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 capital cities that we saw last week, okay, in the reading about the UK and other parts of Europe. So, what I want you to do is tell me the capital city. Take a moment. Okay, I hope you can see. All right. Let me bring it a little bit closer. All right. I think you can see all of it very well now. Okay. So I'm going to give you a few minutes. So go back and write the capital city. Don't look in your book. Try not to look in your book, okay? I'm watching. Okay, so do you have all the answers? Let's see if you do. The first one, I think, was very easy. It's the easiest one. London. London, the capital of England. Okay, what about this? F-Blatt. No. Belfast, the capital of Northern Ireland. Ah. What about this one? I'd forgotten. The third one. Dublin. Dublin, Ireland. Okay, the Republic of Ireland, the country of Ireland. What about this one? This one maybe was a little bit more difficult. Let me move back. Okay, this one is Cardiff. C-A-R-D-I-F. Only one F. No, there were two Fs. Oh, I'm sorry. I think I only wrote one F. And the last one. Edinburgh. Edinburgh, Scotland. Okay, can you see them all? There you go. So, all of these, except for one, are part of the UK. London is England. Belfast is Northern Ireland. Dublin is Ireland. Cardiff is the capital of Wales, if you remember. And Edinburgh is the capital of Scotland. Which capital city is not in the UK? Dublin. Okay, Dublin is not a part of the UK. Okay, so let's go back and look at your book. All right, page 57. You might have to look at the story again in order to complete activity 6. There's a problem with each sentence. What is the correct sentence? So number 1. Okay, so as usual, do the activity, but stop the video first. And when you finish, come back. So number 1, Wales isn't part of the UK. Wales is part of the UK, United Kingdom. Ben Nevis is an airport. Is Ben Nevis an airport? No, it's a mountain. Loch Ness isn't very deep. Loch Ness is very deep. London is the capital of Ireland. London is the capital of the UK. Or you can have Dublin is the capital of Ireland. That's okay too. 5. 10 million people live in London. 10? No, that's too much. About 8 million. The bridge in the picture is London Bridge. No. What's the name of the bridge? Tower Bridge. 7. The Isle of Wight is a lake. No, it's not. It's an island, okay? Be careful with the word island. It's written Iceland or Island, but we do not pronounce the S. The S is silent. Island, okay? And 8, the Channel Tunnel goes from England to Scotland. No, it goes from England to France. France, very good. Okay, so in number 7, again, answer the questions, okay? Stop the video and come back and we will correct. What is the UK short for? Okay. United Kingdom. Good. Which part of Ireland is in the UK? Northern Ireland. Okay. Only Northern Ireland is in the UK. How high is Ben Nevis? Okay. Listen and repeat. 1,343 meters high. Okay. Why is Loch Ness famous? Yes, they say a famous monster lives there. Well, they say a monster lives there. Which river does Tower Bridge cross? The river Thames. Okay, Thames. Thames? No, Thames. How long is the Channel Tunnel? Okay, about 50 kilometers long. What is the sea between Wales and Ireland? It's called the Irish Sea. And 8, Edinburgh is near, sorry, which sea? Which sea is Edinburgh near? The North Sea. Okay, the North Sea. Very good. Okay, so look out your window. What's the weather like today? Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it sunny? What's the weather like? For me, right now, it's cloudy and it's raining and it's a little cold, right? It's a little cold, okay? We're going to talk about vocabulary about the weather now. So let's look at page 58. And we're going to talk about north and south. Okay? So north and south. West and east, right? North and south. So we have vocabulary about the north and the south and the weather. So let's listen to the vocabulary about the weather and repeat, please. Let me find it here. Okay.
Page 58. Exercise 1. 1. It's hot.
It's hot.
2. It's warm. 3. It's cool. 4. It's cold. 5. It's wet. It's raining. 6. It's dry. It's fine. 7. It's sunny. 8. It's cloudy. 9. It's windy. 10. It's snowing. 11. It's freezing. It's icy. 12. It's foggy.
Okay, very good. So looking at the vocabulary, you have it's hot. Then you have it's warm. And you have it's cool. And you have it's cold, right? So they are varying degrees from really, really hot to really cold. But really, really cold, it's freezing. Okay, number 11. It's freezing when it's very, very, very cold. Okay? Let's look at 12. It's foggy, right? When it's difficult to see, right? Sometimes in the morning in Lugo, it's very foggy. Okay? Good. Now, activity 2. Listen to Jake. Okay? He's talking about the weather. Complete the first column of the chart. Okay? What is the weather in England? Today, yesterday, in winter, in spring, in summer, and in autumn. Okay? So, listen and complete.
Page 58. Exercise 2A.
We're doing some work on the weather for our geography lesson. It's raining today and it's quite cool, but it was warm and sunny yesterday. In winter, it's cold and it sometimes snows. It's windy too. In spring, it's usually fine and warm. In summer, it's hot and dry most of the time. In autumn, it's usually cloudy and wet. It rains a lot.
Okay. So, what is the weather in England at those times? So today we know it's raining and it's cool. And yesterday it was warm and sunny. Warm and sunny. Okay. In winter, cold. Sometimes it snows and it's windy. Okay. And what about in spring? It's fine and warm. In summer, hot and dry. Hot and dry. And then finally in autumn, usually cloudy, wet, and it rains. It rains a lot. Okay, so now what you can do is write about the weather in Spain. Okay, specifically think of Lugo, okay, because I know Spain is a big country and the weather can change a lot. Okay, so complete the column about Spain. Then look at activity 3, okay? Comprehension. Read and listen. Where do Jake and Laura live? Okay, and here we go.
Page 58, exercise 3A.
I live in the southeast of England. The weather in the south is nicer than in the north. It's warmer and drier. However, more people live in the south, so it's more crowded and things are usually more expensive. I'm Jake's cousin, Laura. I live in the northwest of England. The weather here is cooler and wetter than in the south. However, the people here are friendlier. I think the north is more beautiful too. We've got lakes and hills here. The south is much flatter.
Okay, so where does Jake live? In the southeast. The southeast of England. And Laura lives in the northwest of England. Where is Lugo? Lugo's in the north, west, east? What do you think? How's your geography? Okay, in activity B, I want you to write, is it south or is it north? Okay, read the sentences about the weather. Is it south or is it north? Okay, number 1, north. 2, the weather is nicer, south. It's warmer, south. It's wetter, north. It's drier, south. The people are friendlier, north. It's more crowded, south. It's flatter, no mountains, right? It's flatter, south. It's more beautiful, the north. And things are more expensive in the south. Okay, now I also want you to think about Lugo. Compare England to Lugo. The weather is cooler, nicer, warmer, wetter, drier. People are friendlier, more crowded, flatter, more beautiful, more expensive. What do you think? England or Lugo? Okay, so I want you to write your answers, okay? And you can send them to my email. All right, so that's it for today, everybody. We'll talk to you soon. Okay, see you next week. Bye-bye.